In this video, I will show you how you can build an AI phone agent that you can use for your Shopify e-commerce store within just 5 minutes. But you might be wondering, why should I trust this guy? Well, I will just ask one of my colleagues. Hello.
Hi, I'm Grace, an AI phone agent, and I work at Ringly.io.
Me and my colleagues have handled thousands of inbound and outbound calls for e-commerce companies, earning multiple awards for our app along the way. In fact, hundreds of e-commerce stores are already using our AI agents, and we're confident you'll love them too.
Does that answer your question?
Yeah, it does. Thank you.
Okay, good luck with the rest of the video.
Thank you. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's get started with setting up our agent in Ringly. So the first thing we want to do is, of course, we want to create an account. So if you don't already have an account, you can create one on the website for free. I've already got an account, so I will just log into my account. Once you've created your account and you're logged in, you want to head over to the agents page. And once you're there, you want to create a new agent. And one thing we added recently to Ringly is we added a lot of templates. So you can just pick a template and your agent will be set up in no time. For this agent, we want to do customer support for your Shopify store. So we want to select the simple customer support template. So as you can see, Ringly has now created your agent and you can edit your agent as well. So if you want to select a different voice, you can pick one from the voices here. One of my favorite voices is Brian, so I will go ahead and select Brian for my voice.
Welcome to Ringly.io. I'm Brian, and I'm here to help you answer every single call.
And for the language of my agent, I of course want to select English, but you can also choose from various other languages. In here, we can also edit the instructions of our agent. So with this template, there's already a tested prompt that will be filled in for you. But if you want to change up the prompt, you can do that in this section right here. And we can also add a greeting to our agent. So for my agent, I have it set up to greet the customers and mention my store name. So the only thing we need to change here is put in our store name. And that's all set up. So the next step is the most important part. We want to connect the agent to Shopify. And to do that, we want to click this button. And in here, we want to add our Shopify shop name and our access token. And I'm going to show you how you can get these values from your Shopify store. So if you head over to your Shopify store, you want to go to settings. And I'm already in the settings page. And once you're there, you want to go to apps and sales channels. So as you can see, I've already installed a couple of apps. But for our use case, we want to develop an app. So we want to click develop apps. And then we want to click on create an app. And we want to give the app a name. So for my example, the app name is just Ringly. And we want to click create an app. Once you've done that, you will be redirected to this page. And in this page, we want to retrieve the access token for Shopify. And to do that, we want to click on configure admin API scopes. So in this page, we want to select all the scopes that the Shopify app is allowed to read and write. By the way, if you want more help with setting everything up with Shopify, you can just click on the chat widget. And in there, we have an article on how to connect your AI phone agent to Shopify. And you can also find all the available scopes in here. So once you've done that, you should have at least 12 API scopes selected and you can click on save. Once all the API scopes are saved, you can click on API credentials. And now we have the option to actually install the app. So we will go ahead and click on that. Click install again. So now the app is actually installed and we have access to the access token that we need to set up the Shopify app inside of Ringly. So be careful here because Shopify only lets you see the token once. So once you reveal this token, you need to save it somewhere in a secure place so you don't lose access to it. So I will go ahead and copy mine. And now we can go back to the Ringly dashboard. So in here we can paste the Shopify token we just got. And we also want to add our Shopify shop name. And you can find your Shopify shop name just over here. So if you copy this address and paste it right here. So if you now click on add store, the Shopify connection will be added to our agent. And as you can see, we got a notification that our store is connected. And right now we will be able to use all the Shopify features within this agent. So the next thing we want to do in terms of making our agent functional, we want to add a phone number to our agent. And this step is pretty straightforward. You can just search for an area code in here. So I will choose 415. And it will show you all the available phone numbers with that area code. And from there you can select one and go ahead and buy one as well. And once you buy one, the phone number will automatically be connected to your agent. The price of the phone number is just $5 a month, But if you decide to go with a pay plan, you get a free phone number with it as well. So you can also save some money by doing that. So now it's time for the actually fun part. We want to test the agent. So we want to see how it connects to Shopify and how all the actions work. So to do that, we want to go over to the Actions tab. And in here, because we started with the template, the Shopify actions are already added for us, and they're already live because we connected Shopify. So we don't have to do anything else actually. So to test your agent, you can just enter your phone number in the Test Your Agent section. And when you click on Call Me, you will get an outbound phone call to your phone number. But we also want to use some of the actions that we've provided. So we want to get order status or get product info from Shopify. So to do that, we want to go back to our Shopify store. So I want to test my agent out with this order. So you can see this order is fulfilled, and the order number is 1005. So if I call the agent and ask for this order, it should tell me that the order is fulfilled. So let's go ahead and test out the agent.
Hello, and thank you for calling Fitness Inc. This is Adrian from customer support. How can I help you today?
Hello, I have a question about my order.
Of course, I can help you with that. Could you please provide me with your order number?
Yeah, I think my order number is 1005.
Thank you for that information. I'm checking on your order now. I found your order with the number 1005. Could you please confirm the email associated with this order?
Yeah, I think that is info@ringly.io.
Thank you for confirming that. Your order has been fulfilled and should arrive soon. Do you have any other questions I can assist you with?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. If you need anything else in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Thank
I'll
you.
end the call now.
So the agent actually does what it's supposed to. And as you can see, we also added some security. So the agent asks the user for email verification. So not everyone can get information about any order. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you want me to make similar videos to this one and show you some more features of what Ringly.io can do. If you have any additional questions while setting up your agent, you can just reach out to us via the chat widget in the software, and we will reply to your questions as soon as possible.